The following segment is sponsored by Rigby Dental. Do you struggle with missing or unhealthy teeth? You are not alone. Dr. Brad, Rigby and Marley of Rigby Dental are here to talk about a life-changing solution to help you give back your smile with hybridge dental implants. Welcome to the show, both of you.
Thank you. Appreciate it.
We're so excited to have you here. Okay, Marley, I understand that Rigby Dental has become quite the go-to practice for dental implants. What sets Rigby Dental apart from everybody else?
Rigby Dental has been serving the Salt Lake community for over 20 years, and we just treat every patient as if they were us or our own family. And you know, our Google reviews say it all. We have over 600 5-star Google reviews, and we're educated, and we're always continuing our education. And we are different than the bigger implant centers that, you know, maybe treat you like just the next person, but we're actually treating you to be like part family. Of us and be our family. We have won Best of SLC for 3 years in a row, and it's been really amazing.
That says a lot, you know, that says a lot. And you're so kind when you come in here, so I can feel the warmth from you guys. Now, Dr. Rigby, with so many dental implant options out there today, why did you choose hybridge for your patients?
Well, you know, it all started probably 8 years ago when, you know, I've been placing implants for 20 years. And I discovered hybridge because I was just frustrated with some of the other systems out there that were taking a lot longer. They were costing, you know, the patients more money, me more money. So I discovered hybridge because it's just a faster solution. It's changing patients' lives in, you know, as few as 3 appointments, 6 weeks.
Wow.
So faster, less expensive, and the material is the best material out there.
Well, that's my next question is, it's got to be expensive with some other options, but hybridge is actually a more affordable option, right?
It is a more affordable option, and mainly because we're able to do it in fewer appointments. You know, when, you know, the patients are having to take more time off of work and coming in for anywhere from 8 to 12 appointments, we're able to offer hybridge for, you know, significantly less than some of these other implant centers because of less chair time. Like I said, 3 appointments, and we're doing more implants. As you see in the video, we're doing 6 implants on the top, 5 implants on the bottom. We're able to restore somebody's teeth with 12 teeth on the top, 12 teeth on the bottom. And, you know, it's like, it's life-changing.
It really is. You see those before and afters, and it's just a personality change. I'm sure people appreciate spending less time in the chair too. You can get it done faster. Now, speaking of cost, Marley, there's a special offer you want to talk about.
Yes, we're offering a free consultation, free 3D scan. It's a $475 value for free. We just want you to call in and mention Fresh Living, and we'll get you a consultation.
And there it is on the screen. Once again, definitely life-changing. Where can we go for more information to schedule that free consultation right now?
So you can go to saltlakecityhybridge.com, or you can find us at rigbydental.com.
Perfect. Great to see you both. By the way, your smiles are amazing.
Thank you.
You look great. Thank you.